It's a beautiful day here at the old house, turning into the new house, or at least part of it. We're gonna go inside and I'll show you some of the updates. Here we have the old workroom, now the new mud room. And this is what it will look like. The old window is now boxed in. That's going to be kind of a neat little shadow box that I'll have some hangers in. Dad is putting some new redwood in there, and I'll stain it red oak color. It'll be nice, and then we'll have the same that will cover the whole bench area here, and then the door here that will block in the staircase. And then the new steps have been built in here. They make it easier to go up into the mudroom area. And they cut out space for a window. So we're going to use one of the old windows, part of the old windows, turn it vertically from the original part of the house, and use that there just to bring some light from the big bay window into the dining room. So here's the dining room without any ceiling. That will be all drywalled. Everything in here will be all drywalled soon. Looking out to the pond, we have light fixtures here. This will be the two sconces, the old original sconces that were in the two bedrooms downstairs here. Fire smoke alarm, and then I'll have a chandelier right here coming down over my dining room table. Coming into the kitchen, right here we will have my plugs, or out my switches, cabinet, range, microwave vent with a cabinet, corner cabinet, upper and lower. Then we'll have stainless steel farmhouse sink here with just a pendant light coming down that will be a blue hand-blown glass light. Then the dishwasher here, another cabinet, and the fridge here with cabinets above those. Not too much right there. I might put a little bench here and maybe a little bookcase or something in that corner. And then right here in the middle, where the old chimney used to be, from there to there, you can kind of see a remnant of a line here. This big rectangle will be a 10-foot long island ending about right here. And 3 pendant lights will be right above there, and there. And they actually just came in today. They're stainless steel. They look really cool. And the living room right now has the old fridge, just so we can have some drinks. Hopefully next week it will have new ceiling from drywall. The electric is just about done in here now. Just finished some more today. Going into the bedroom, I still have some stored things in here, but electric on the ceiling just got put in today. Smoke alarm there. New switch. They just have to figure out the plugs because they're old plugs in here. By the way, these are all new windows. You can see they're actually double pane windows, white, and they're nice. Laundry room here. Everything is coming together. Just about everything in here is done. He just put the light wires in there. Same for the switch. The new switch is right there. And then if you look into my closet here, the walk-in closet, this is where I'll hang rack and rack here, and then back here I'll have shelves and cubbies all throughout the back area there. So this will all be carpeted up until where the wall starts here. And then right here will be a 4-foot vanity with the light above right there. And there's a outlet on each side. Then the toilet will be right there, looking out the window right across. And then from there over to the stool, and on the other side of the window will be an angled shower, all tiled in. We had to do it a little differently just to make it fit, but it'll be just enough space for me. Now coming into the hallway, it'll all be new plaster all over here. The electric box here and here will be eliminated and taken downstairs into the cellar, put all together into one huge panel. So this will all be new. This is the guest bathroom. The tub is already in, tub, shower, surround, and this will be the top part for above the tub. Toilet will be there, vanity right there with the light above, and then this will all be turned into a built-in linen cabinet. And I have the tile here. It's actually a porcelain that looks like Carrara marble. So it's very pretty, smooth, soft, and durable. And I already have the cabinets for both bathrooms right here in the new kitchen. They look like this. This is the 48-inch for my bathroom, but they both look about the same as that. Mine will have blue pearl granite countertop, and the guest bath will have very similar to that. It's actually Carrara marble for the guest bath, so it will match the floor. Okay, we're gonna go upstairs. As you can see, they've actually done some wiring today here, so I can't get any lights right now, but up here, still got to take this carpet out, but kept it in now just for safety purposes. Wallpaper is gone, and I have started patching the stairwell. Upstairs is mostly patched over from Grandpa's wallpaper that he loved so much. But here you go. There's still a little bit left that we gotta take out, but just been working around it. That's the old bookcase from against the wall that Grandpa built in there. And each shelf is one long board. It's about a 20-foot board, each one. He must have gotten that at a sawmill. So this will all be repainted, hopefully in a couple weeks. New light fixtures will be there, and there. And there. And at the end of the project, this will all be brand new carpet that matches the same carpet downstairs. There's that old map that Grandpa glued and then painted the sides over to make it look like it's actually part of the wall. So that will be gone. There's the bathroom that I've already redone most of. I just have to put the shiny tin look there on the side, which will actually be this. We'll go there all the way around. I got that. And then this tub shower room is what still needs to be done. I gotta scrape all the wallpaper off, take the old flooring off, have someone come in to redo the clawfoot tub, and hopefully they can move it over this way and somehow create an actual shower head off the wall to make it easier to actually shower. And the linen cabinet here I painted, so it brightens this corner up a lot. Coming into the king room here, the windows there will have paint around the windows, but I'm keeping the original wood here on the ledge. That's a nicer wood. Woodwork here will be painted as well to the radio room and the main door, and then the closet will have paint around it in different places as well. Flooring in here might just stay and go underneath the carpet, and then the walls in here, as well as the walls in most of the house, will be a grayish color, a mix of gray and beige. And then I just have to sand everything up here because I patched almost everything. And then start with an oil-based primer just to make it more plastery, since it's actual wallpaper here that Grandpa put on. So sand over, oil-based primer, and then I can paint on top of that. These are the old windows from the house. And then this one here is actually what I'm going to use and have my contractor put it right here. So it gives a little bit of character and history. And then we can actually bring some of that great light coming in from the bay window into the new dining room here. If you can see up here, the chimney's now gone. That's where that white thing is right there. That will have a bathroom vent coming up. And then that right there is the brand new attic vent. It's a mechanical one plugged in to Grandpa's plug he had in the attic. So when the thermostat gets to a certain temperature, that will turn on and take more of the air from the attic out so it doesn't get as hot. It's a lot better than the old corn crib looking rusty vent that was up there. It was about 4 foot tall. And they filled in that space there that Grandpa just had wood. They did trim around here, which was just wood. Underneath there, the soffit they got ready, and I'll have 2 lights on the back there. And then you can see the windows here. They actually wrapped every window on the outside with aluminum, so I don't, or with vinyl, so I don't have to actually deal with painting all of that to match. And here is the chimney. I'm going to use those out front, do a walkway out from the front steps eventually. And there's the merry-go-round. This is the creepy looking concrete that Grandpa had poured in to the hole. And then that's the top of it cut off. A lot of oil leaked out of it when Dad cut it off, so that's why that blanket is laying on top there. Sad to see it go, but there was no way of fixing it, and it was just very difficult to mow around and weed around. Wasn't going to cause any type of use anymore. but it had a good run. You can see here on the front porch more of the new windows and the new storm door that I have, which is actually retractable, so the top half comes down halfway and there's a screen on the top, and then get some breeze coming through when I want it, and then I can roll it back up and it locks as well. Well, that's all the tour. I'll keep you updated. Hopefully next week we'll have new drywall in, and then I can start giving more pictures and video updates from there as we start painting, putting flooring and cabinets in, and then all the other good stuff like lights and more decorations. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.